Creating a questionnaire in Google Forms is a straightforward process, and it's an excellent way to collect information and feedback. Here's a concise guide. Access Google Forms. Sign into your Google account, go to Google Drive and click the plus new button. Select Google Forms from the drop-down. Create a new form. Give your form a title by clicking Untitled Form at the top and entering a name. Add questions. Click the plus Add Question button to create your first question. Choose the question type, such as multiple choice, short answer, or paragraph. Customize your question and answer choices. Additional question options. For each question, you can set options like making it required or adding a description. Add section. You can group related questions into sections by clicking the three dots on the right side of the question and selecting section based on answer. Customize themes. Click the color palette icon to change the form's theme and appearance. Add more questions. Continue adding questions by clicking the plus Add Question button below each existing question. Preview. Use the eye icon in the upper right corner to preview your form as respondents will see it. Settings. Click the gear icon to access settings like limiting responses, enabling notifications, and collecting email addresses. Sharing. Click the send button to share your form. You can generate a shareable link, send it via email, or embed it in a website. View responses. Responses are automatically collected in a Google Sheet spreadsheet linked to your form. Click the Responses tab to view or analyze the data. Analyze data. Use Google Sheets features to analyze and visualize the collected data. Edit or duplicate. You can go back to Google Forms to edit, duplicate, or make a copy of your questionnaire.